construction site right now in Georgia, and we've come across this little. Hey! We've come across this little body of water and gonna take a swim. I haven't showered. We've camped out 3 nights in a row, and I haven't showered in days. And honest to God, I feel disgusting. So, jump in, have a wash.
2, 3.
Do you wanna come in? Do you wanna come in? Oh, watch Luke's phone, baby. No, she's like, not having any of that. Oh, smell smelly.
Dobra.